buddy? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want me to make your food? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Pretty dark here. Pretty dark here. Okay. Okay, buddy. You want some food? You hungry? Okay. Okay. I need to scale. Oh, sorry, buddy. Sorry, buddy. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're hungry too, eh? You're hungry too? Okay. What are we taking? I think that's parsley. That's parsley. Okay. That, and I need a bowl. I'll turn this. And then turn on some extra light. Okay, I'm just gonna get peppers. Okay, peppers. Gonna get the meat out. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're hungry too, yeah? Hast du Hunger? Du hast Hunger? Hungry? Okay. Okay, let's go. Oh, and I need, of course, I need one glove. Okay, I'll put this here for a second. Put on my glove. So this, watch this. This is for Lily, and Lily gets around 100 grams of ground meat. This is good. So this goes into the microwave for 20 seconds. At that time, I can put some hoka mix, which is like herbs, all kind of vitamins and minerals dogs need, I'm thinking. 1 scoop each dog. This is just, I put it in the microwave just to warm it a little bit. I'm not cooking it, it's all still raw. It's just so meat ice cold out of the fridge. It's not good for dogs, not good for the stomach. So 20 seconds is just to warm it up a little bit, make it hand warm, kinda. Okay, Dylan gets, okay, I should not turn this. Okay, wait. Dylan gets 100. This is a little bit dry already since it was in the fridge for a bit. And Dylan gets 180-ish. Now I have to open up the new one. I know, should not be that picky, but can't help it. Okay, 180-ish. This goes into the microwave as well for 25 seconds. Hi, Poppers. You're hungry, are you? Cat is hungry too? All of you are hungry. Gleich gibt's Fressi. Gleich gibt's Fressi. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you down again to open that jar. This is dried parsley. I'm just grabbing a little bit and put it all over the meat. This one is done now. Grabbing this. This is for Dylan. And Dylan gets some dried parsley as well. Okay. This looks lots for it now, but when I mix it through, it's not that much anymore. It's not that too much of parsley. Just mixing the other herbs, the hookah mix with the parsley. Mix it through nicely. Mix Dylan's through nicely. Okay. This is almost nicely mixed. This is good. Now I just have to take off my... Okay, how do I carry this? That's funny. With just like that. Okay, are you hungry, guys? Yeah?